Highway Driving Assist 2. Highway Driving Assist 2, or HDA2, available in the GV70, helps maintain distance from the vehicle ahead, maintain the set speed, and keep the vehicle centered in the lane while driving on a highway or motorway. It uses the front view camera, front radar, front corner radars, and rear corner radars. Press the Setup button, then select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Driving Convenience. Select or unselect the Highway Driving Assist box to activate or deactivate the system. The Highway Lane Change Assist function can also be activated in the same menu. To turn HDA2 on, press the Driving Assist button on the steering wheel while driving on a highway or motorway. The set speed is set to the current driving speed when the system is turned on, and you can change the set speed using the plus or minus switch on the steering wheel. Long holds on the plus or minus switch will change the set speed in 10 km/h increments. You can press the Vehicle Distance button to set the distance to the vehicle ahead by 4 levels. If you press and hold the Vehicle Distance button, the system will change from Based on Drive mode to Based on Driving Style that operates the system based on the learned driving style of yours. When entering a highway, HDA2 will be automatically turned on if the Smart Cruise Control and Lane Following Assist functions are already turned on. In this case, a message asking if you would like to enable Highway Lane Change Assist will appear on the instrument cluster, and you can press OK on the steering wheel to confirm. The Highway Lane Change Assist function helps lane change with the operation of the turn signal switch. If you move the turn signal switch to the direction you want to change lane to, the function will attempt to change lane for several seconds while checking for a risk of collision. When the function is ready to operate, the lane change indicator on the instrument cluster will turn green and will blink during a lane change. For safety, you must keep your hands on the steering wheel. The lane change will cancel if the turn signal lever is moved to the opposite direction of the lane change or if the steering wheel is turned sharply. If the vehicle has not departed its current lane yet, moving the turn signal lever to its original position will also cancel the lane change. While HDA2 is operating, your vehicle will start moving again after stopping if the vehicle stopped ahead starts moving again within 30 seconds. After your vehicle has stopped over 30 seconds, the Use Switch or Pedal to Accelerate message will appear on the instrument cluster. Depress the accelerator, press the plus or minus switch, or the pause or resume switch on the steering wheel to start driving. If you take your hands off the steering wheel for several seconds, HDA2 will warn you in 2 stages and automatically cancel the system. After HDA2 is canceled, the driving speed will be limited without accelerating. While HDA2 may provide assistance, it is not in control of your vehicle. You are. Always keep in mind that safe driving is your responsibility. See Owner's Manual or use the QR code on the web manual under the Manual menu of the infotainment system for further details and limitations.